Hey everybody, Mark again. Now we're moving on to the present perfect simple. Now I know you're thinking, we've talked about present perfect simple before, haven't we, right? But this is a specific way to use the present perfect simple when we're talking about a recent event right here. So we'll be going over our basics, our active version and our passive version, right? Active, passive of the present perfect for these recent events. Okay, so start here. I have Matt's broken his leg. Matt's broken his leg. So in our normal form, right? Normal form for active, I have a have has plus our PP, right? Have has PP. Matt's broken his leg. Oh no, he's broken his leg. We're going to the hospital right now because he's broken his leg. It's something that's happened recently that we have to act on immediately, right? Recent event. Same for here. This one is not as serious. I can say, right, I have opened the window. I've opened the window. I'm saying, right, you could even add this. You could say, I have, if we add one more word, you could say, I've just opened the window. That's another word we often use for our recent action. I've just opened the window. I've opened the window. Why? Because, right, it's very hot today. I want to get some wind into the room, right? It's very hot. I opened the window to get the fresh air. Okay? Now if we move on to passive, right? I know passive has been a bit tricky for some of you, but for the present perfect, we'll use this pattern, okay? We're going to use, just like our active, we need to use our have or has, but for passive, we have an extra word. We need to add the been plus our PP, right? Plus our PP, just like active, right? So here, Matt's broken his leg. This time I'll use a window. I'll say, the window's been broken. The window's been broken. The window has been broken. You're like, oh no, the window's been broken. Good thing you noticed. I need to call the police. This is a problem, right? Maybe someone broke into my house. The window has been broken recently, okay? We can use it like that. Or here, this again, more everyday sentence, right? The window has been opened, or the window's been opened. Okay, you're like, how the window's been opened? That's why I feel so cold, right? Because someone has opened the window. The window has been opened. So here's a direct result affecting me now. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, just our basics, our active, our passive, and our present perfect simple for these recent events that are affecting you right now. Okay, so if you can, as always, please comment below if you have any questions or even any future videos you'd like to see. Okay, but other than that, I'll see you guys in class.